In this video, I'll guide you through how to review an employer on Indeed. Leaving a review is a simple way to share your experience and help other job seekers make better decisions while also giving useful feedback to the company. I'll walk you through each part of the process so you know exactly what to expect and how to make your review as helpful and clear as possible. First, you'll need to find your employer's company page on Indeed. Start by going to the Indeed website and looking for the search bar that's usually at the top of the screen. Instead of searching for a job title, type in the name of the company you want to review. If the company name is common or there are multiple locations, you may see several results. Look carefully at the logo, location, and any other identifying details to make sure you're selecting the correct employer. Once you see the right company, click on its name to open the company's dedicated page. On this company page, you'll find an overview of the employer, including ratings, reviews, and sometimes photos or a description of the work environment. Take a moment to confirm that this is the company you actually worked for or interviewed with. When you're sure you're on the correct page, look for the option that says Write a Review. This is usually clearly visible, often near the overall rating or alongside other review-related sections. Click on Write a Review to start the process. Next, Indeed will guide you through a series of questions about your experience with that employer. These questions are designed to capture different aspects of your time there, so answer them as honestly and thoughtfully as you can. You'll likely be asked to give an overall rating, usually in the form of stars, and then rate specific areas such as work-life balance, management, culture, or compensation. You'll also see open-ended questions where you can type out more detailed feedback. This is your chance to explain what you liked, what could be improved, and what someone considering a job there should know. Try to be specific and fair. Instead of just saying something was good or bad, briefly explain why. For example, you might mention whether expectations were clear, whether communication was open, or how the workplace environment felt day to day. Avoid including any sensitive information like personal contact details, and don't name individual co-workers in a way that could identify them. Some forms may ask about your job title, your location, and whether you are a current or former employee. Answer these accurately so readers understand the context of your review. If there's a section for pros and cons, think about concrete examples that reflect both positive and negative aspects of your experience, keeping your tone respectful and constructive. Once you've finished answering all the questions and you're happy with what you've written, it's time to submit your review. Before you click submit, read through your answers one more time to check for clarity, spelling, and tone. Make sure your feedback is something you'd feel comfortable standing behind later. When everything looks good, click the submit button. After you submit, your review may not appear immediately because Indeed often checks submissions to make sure they meet their guidelines. Once it's approved, your review will be visible on the company's page where it can help others learn from your experience. That's all it takes to review an employer on Indeed. Find the company page, select Write a Review, answer the questions thoughtfully, and submit your feedback.